e-procurement space. We are serving here for the past 16 years. If you say we have been serving almost all the major government segments, as well as the almost all the big giants of the corporates are with us.
That's great. And what is the USP of C1? If we talk about the USP, what differentiates you from your competitors?
If you say we are much more customer oriented, we follow what the customer wants, and we get the deliverable whatever customer on the short span of time.
Can you tell us your leading set of clients? Who are clients you cater to? What are the industries you cater to? Any of your achievements and recognitions?
We have been, that's in the first instance I told you that we have been into the almost all the major corporate clients are with us, starting from the telecom industry to the manufacturing to the IT segments. If you say manufacturing, Tata Steel, Tata Projects are with us. IT segments, Birlasoft, Tech Mahindra are with us. Say also in the manufacturing segment, Agro Foods are there. We have almost all the major clients.
How do you view the market scenario, sir, in the coming 2 years, 3 years time? Do you think the business and this industry is going to grow?
See, in today's scenario, what Modi is proposing and what Modi is doing out, he almost all the things there he's going with tenders and e-auctions. So, taking that into view, the government is imposing or pushing for tenders and auctions. Similarly, the corporates are also following the same path. So, in the coming years, this industry is going to grow like anything.
Can you elaborate on the concept of e-auction for our viewers?
E-auction is basically normally what we used to do. We used to have a manual interactions with the vendors for procuring any material. Now, what is we are doing? We are trying to do it all the things over the online. So, any person wanting to purchase anything, he can go ahead identifying the vendors. We will do it, or the corporate vendors, whoever, or the buyer can do it, and we will get the things done through online. So, the major thing transparency is there, and the competition of pricing is also there. So, the when a buyer can get the best possible pricing available in the market.
What about your competitors, sir? There must be some competitors in your industry as well. How are you better than them?
Competition always encourages us to increase our efficiency. Competitors are there; they are also pushing their products hard. We are also putting ourselves hard. You can say we are almost 24 cross 7 working for our customers. Even the same the competitors are doing. But yeah, we have a customer relation, friendly relation we have developed, and this is helping us to grow faster.
Any particular challenge do you foresee in the future that is coming in your way, or you want the government to support you in that particular area?
Government has been supporting because government has been pushing for the tenders and auctions. So indirectly, the government has helping us to go for auctions and tenders. Even the people like the corporate segments or the government segments are into the coming into the mindset that now if you want to procure anything, let's go for auction because this helps in transparency.
Tell me three things that C1 stands for. That three things are the ones that make you the most successful company of this industry.
Half our customers and we deliver to as per the customer's expectation, and at times we go beyond helping the customers in getting their best pricing.